What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about credit cards that offers 50% discount. So yung mga credit card na to guys, ito yung top credit cards na kung saan nag-o-offer sila ng 50% discount sa mga restaurants. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon kasi hindi lang si BDO at BPI but marami pang iba. At saka pag-uusapan din natin guys yung common terms and conditions kasi nga knowing na ito ay promo, so hindi siya basta-basta gano'n na lang. Kailangan nyo maintindihan na may limitations at hindi siya for everyone talaga. At kailangan nyo matutunan yun para hindi kayo nagugulat. Like for example, nag-swipe kayo ng 10,000, hindi pala covered ng promo yun. Kaya naman kailangan nyo malaman yung limitations or terms and conditions ng 50% off na ino-offer ng credit card na meron kayo, para iwas gulatan. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, several banks in the Philippines are offering 50% off dining promotions in early 2026. Since 2026 ngayon. So ngayon, onwards, 2027, 2028, 2029, tuloy-tuloy na yung promo na ito. Primarily through BDO, BPI, and Metro Bank. Usually require minimum spend 3,000. So ito yung parang required minimum spend para ma-earn niyo yung 50% discount. For top tier cards, key 50% off deals include Botidiu, Greyhound Coffee, and the Bistro Group restaurants. So ito yung top credit card guys with 50% dining promos here in the Philippines. Nangunguna is si BPI or Robinson Bank Visa Cards. Offers 50% off up to 2,500 pesos at restaurants like Crazy Garlic, Dennis, Watami. Depende siya guys. As you can see, paiba-iba kasi yung ino-offer nila. So in the long run, like for example, in the meantime, ito muna yung ino-offer nila sa Dennis, Watami, Siglab. Tapos in the future naman, iiba na naman yung magiging offer nila na restaurants kung saan pwede nyo i-avail yung 50% discount using your BPI and Robinsons Bank Visa cards. Then next natin guys is the BDO Credit Cards. Provides 50% off up to 2,000 pesos. Kanina si BPI, Robinsons Bank, is 2,500. Itong si BDO Credit Cards naman is up to 2,000 pesos lamang siya. At partner restaurants including Botidiu, Greyhound Coffee, Paper Moon, and Pizza Hut. Union Bank Credit Cards offers various dining discounts and vouchers specifically at Bonifacio High Street. So, itong si Union Bank, guys, medyo social siya. It's because sa BGC naman yung target niya. Nandun nyo may enjoy yung Union Bank Credit Cards nyo sa mga restaurant sa Bonifacio Global City. Key details for 50% off dining. Validity is most major 50% off promos run for limited periods. Since sabi ko kanina nabanggit ko is may certain time lang siya na ino-offer yun, tapos mag-end yun, then magpapanibago naman sila makikipag-partner or makikipag-collab sa mga restaurants. Yun yung pwedeng ma-enjoy ng client nila. Requirements is minimum spend. Example, 3,000 pesos is often required. So, madalas kasing required is 3,000 pesos yung magiging minimum spend. Tapos yung 50%, 1,500 na lang yung babayaran ninyo. Papanindigan talaga nila yan. Tapos, up to, depende sa credit cards na yon, kung up to 2,500 lang, yung pwede yung ma-avail na discount. So, 5,000 pesos lang, so 2,500. Okay lang naman umabot yung bill ninyo ng 10,000, yung babawas lang is 2,500. Limitations. Discounts are frequently capped. Tulad ng sabi ko, may limited, kumbaga limited siya. 2,000 up to 2,500 pesos off. Coverage. Generally applicable for dine-in transactions only. So ito guys, may notes sila. It is highly recommended to check the official websites or banks' websites, BPI deals, BDO deals, for the most up-to-date specific restaurant partner and daily promo mechanics. Tulad ng sabi ko kasi, pabago-bago yan eh. Like for example, ngayong February, ganun yung partners nilang restaurant. On the next month, iba na naman. May sa, alam mo yun, paiba-iba yung, kumbaga nag-end yung promo, makikipag-collaborate na naman sila. So ito pa guys, yung iba pang credit card na nag-offer ng 50% discount. Maliban sa nabanggit ko kanina. Parang yun lang yung nangunguna. Kumbaga, top credit cards that offers 50% discount on restaurants. Highlighted 50% off restaurant promos is, tulad ni Metrobank, guys, 50% off din sa Cebu, minimum spend of 3,000 pesos, ongoing, ganyan. Hindi ko na babanggitin yung date since baka mapanood nyo to, tapos na yung date na to. Alam mo naman, para hindi kayo malito. Then sa HSBC credit cards din, 50% off lunch dinner buffet at Spectrum Fairmont. So maaaring magbago rin ito, guys. The Bistro Group, various 50% off promos for select credit cards, example is BPI, BDO. So ngayon, let's talk about common terms and conditions. Kasi may mga conditions siya, hindi lang siya basta-basta ganun. So, kailangan nyo rin i-consider na may limitation siya, kumbaga. Minimum spend required is 3,000 pesos. Then, valid cards usually reserved for gold, platinum, or world card holders. So, kadalasan na nagperform mo, guys, is yung mga high tier or yung mga matataas na klase ng credit card. Yung mga walang annual fee, guys, to be honest, hindi nagiging qualify yun for 50% discount. Take note yung mga no annual fee na credit cards. Restrictions, valid for dine-in only, not valid on holidays or specific days. So, valid lamang siya, guys, within the store. Hindi mo siya pwedeng i-take out. So, doon kayo kakain, magdadine kayo sa loob ng restaurant. Minimum discount is typically capped, such as 2,500 for BPI Robinson. So, depende siya sa credit card, guys. Maaaring itong 2,500 na to is tumaas or bumaba. Depende siya sa analyzation ni bank. Parang nagkakaroon ng evaluation. Okay, pwede ito. So, yun yung i-launch nilang promo. Always check the specific bank's website for the most updated terms and participating branches. So, much better, guys, to check about the updated promos. Kasi hindi siya basta-basta kasi paiba-iba nga tulad ng sabi ko. So, yun guys, take note lang na credit cards yan. Isa-swipe ninyo, pera ni BDO yan, ni Metrobank, ni HSBC, ni Union Bank. Hindi nyo pera yan. So, kung wala kayong cash on hand, wala kayong pera sa savings account niyo, wag na wag nyo isa-swipe yung credit card nyo kasi mahirap na. In the future, kapag hindi nyo talaga na-manage yung finances nyo, in the long run, magsasuffer kayo, mahihirapan kayo. So, the interest is 3% sa remaining balance kapag hindi nyo na full pay yung statement balance ng credit card ninyo. Kaya naman always to consider dapat yung kaya lang. Huwag kayo bara-bara magsuswipe ng credit cards ninyo kung hindi nyo kaya bayaran yung statement balance. Kasi magsasuffer din yung credit history ninyo in the future kapag nagkaroon kayo ng delinquent account. Mag-reflect yan sa credit score ninyo. So, in the future, di na kayo ma-approve ng future loans at mahihirapan na kayo to secure new credit cards. So, I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!